will be showing you how to bake salted caramel chocolate chip cookies. The ingredients you will need are 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of dark brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 2 cups of flour, 1½ sticks of butter, 3/4 cups of chocolate chips, and 3/4 cups of caramel bits. We will also be using a whisk, a rubber scraper, 2 mixing bowls, a hand mixer, cookie sheets, and I've already preheated my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Our first step is to combine the dry ingredients, except for the sugars. This includes the cornstarch, the sea salt, the baking soda, and the flour. First, we will combine the cornstarch, and the sea salt, and the baking soda. And now we will mix it. Once you're finished mixing, set it aside. Next, we will be combining our wet ingredients with the sugars. First, we will cream the sugars and the butters together. Now we will mix these together thoroughly until they are light and fluffy. Now that your butter and sugar mixture is fluffy and light, you can add your vanilla extract and egg. Now mix until thoroughly combined. Now that our wet ingredients are combined with our sugars, we can add our dry ingredients. You might want to add it a little bit at a time, or else you might make a big mess. I learned that the hard way. Now that we finished making the dough, we can add the goodies, the caramel bits and the chocolate chips. After that, start mixing again. Mix thoroughly until all the bits and chips are mixed into the dough. Now that our cookie dough is finished, we can start forming the cookies. But first, because the cookies are sticky, we should spray our cookie sheets with cooking spray. You can also use parchment paper. This will help it so the cookies don't stick to the cookie sheets. Now, each cookie should be about the size of a ping pong ball. When you put the cookies on the cookie sheet, make sure to leave enough room so they can spread. As you can see, we have formed our cookies. We got 21 cookies out of this batch. We even left a little bit to snack on. Now that these cookies are formed, they're ready to go in the oven. These cookies should go in the oven for 9 minutes. Now we wait and think about how delicious those cookies are going to be. Finally, the cookies are ready. your cookies are done baking, it's time to put them on a cooling rack so that you can cool them down until they're ready to enjoy. Enjoy!